My name's Sarah.
I'm Donnie.
And we are the couple that cooks. This is our first time doing YouTube, so please be patient with us. We tried TikTok, we're old, we're not really good at that. We're actually really good at Instagram, so follow us on IG at the couple that cooks with periods in between each word.
Yep, and so for our first dish that we're doing for YouTube, we had to do it big. We're doing Japanese A5 Wagyu steak. Yes, Japanese A5 Wagyu steak. That means that's the creme de la creme, homie. That's the real deal Holyfield. That's as high as you can go when it comes to steaks. And we're gonna be making it for you guys. Okay guys, so we are done and I'm about to cut it up. Let's see.
Whoa, it's like butter.
Wow, look at that, smooth. I'm barely cutting. Wow, look at that. Look at that.
That looks so good.
Ooh, here we go. Alright guys, so we're officially done with the Wagyu steak. And here we are, we have not tried it yet. I promise you, we have not tried it yet. So here's our first time trying it. Here's her piece, and here's my piece. Cheers.
Oh my God.
Wow. That's crazy.
That's so good.
That's good. Definitely recommend, guys.